Okay, so going through this, it looks like. How's it going, Russ?
Hi guys.
No. So I'll share my screen real quick. All right, so looking at this, so like you guys said, it looks like mainly all of these things are going to deal with personal stuff, so I guess everyone can do that on their own. So basically, sounds like all we have to do is a project tonight for this meeting, so it doesn't sound like we really have to meet too much. So going over the project, um, looking at these, we just had to finish these up.
Okay, I just went in and I don't know if those were okay. Those are things that we wanted to do on those. Not
On
that
which
page,
one?
the navigation scheme.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what we wanted to put on those pages, but I thought like putting like you could review on this page and then you can read other reviews and then like a little page at the end saying thank you for your review, like just so you know that it went through and it's submitted.
Okay. Nope, that works for
So,
me. So, um, it basically sounds like we just need to kind of get them pretty.
okay.
So we'll just go from here to here. So I guess if there's really not much to do, if we just want to spend the next 10 minutes, if we just want to split out in teams, since there's four of us right now, um, if two of you just want to start working on the navigation schemes, then the wired frame, then we can just basically just make sure it's like all finalized and everything. So let's see. Do you guys want me to just hand out two of who to go where?
Sure.
Okay, so Ross and I will go to wired frame, and Dan and Michaela, if you want to go to navigation schemas, basically come in, do the change the background, or not bad, add, no,
Oh, I didn't even know you could do that.
change theme, make it pretty, make it look like something professional. There's different ones you can use,
Oh, okay.
like that one or something. I don't know if half of these work, but then like for example, we can like do this as an overview, then create like a bunch of like new slides and just copy this over, and then just maybe put like this, and then just do like a quick summary
Okay.
like that or something. So if you and Dan want to do that, me and Ross will work on the wired frame. So does that sound good to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. And how do we split up? Are we meeting back? Or are we just gonna work on it and then call it good?
If we just want to, are you guys okay staying on? It literally should take like
I'm fine staying.
Okay.
10
Yeah.
minutes. I'd just rather get it out of the way instead of having to worry about doing it later.
Yeah.
I'm fine staying on.
Okay.
Okay, Ross, if you want to jump on the wired frame with me.
Okay. Um. Okay.
Okay. Are we going to? Where did it go? Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Okay, the navigation scheme. So let's create.
Hey, Ross.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just going to create a few more slides inside of this wired frame and just
Okay.
basically base them off of the navigation schemas, and then we can just go through and edit them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just changing the color because I don't really like that brown orange color.
So like on this one, Ross, slide number 2.
Uh-huh.
I'll put in slide number 1 because it's the first one. If you
Okay.
just basically want to, you could take it from slide 5 if that's what it's supposed to be. It probably is. So I'll just move slide 5 up to slide 1 and then just change it to login page. But basically just going through. And what we can do is we'll probably just put right here on the side.
Okay. So each slide has, okay.
Yeah, so I'm just going to set those up. So if you want to start working on either one of them, basically do the girl things, make it look good.
So every slide on that page goes to the slides on the left column, left side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then, so Dan, the login page, like, I guess it kind of is self-explanatory. Name.
Are you happy with the colors now?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Name and
Hey, so Ross, real quick,
Mm-hmm.
slide 2
word,
right now.
Uh-huh.
That's the home page, isn't it?
password,
So 2 is the home page.
Pardon?
button.
So slide number 2 is the home page.
So slide number 2 is the login. On the left, it says login page.
Uh-huh.
But I think we have to revamp that because I believe that this one is the home page, not the login page. Does that
Okay.
make sense? So
Yes.
I'm just going to switch those around. I keep switching on you, sorry.
It's okay.
Home page. And this is login.
So number 2 is login. Okay, number 3 will be about the web page.
Number 3 would be, yeah, account. I felt my baby kick for the first time this week. It was pretty cool.
Oh.
Not that anyone cares, but it was pretty cool.
I can see when I type. Wait. So homepage login account number 4.
Review page.
Okay. Number 5 is the model automation.
No, that's the different practices.
Do we have a logo page, or that will be on the homepage?
Logo page.
Mm-hmm. Do we need a logo
Oh,
or a
so
mission
sorry.
what we are about?
Well, so what I was going with, so like for example, if you look at slide number 1,
Uh-huh.
so this is what the login page is going to look like.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, this is what the home page is going to look like because that's the first one right here on the left, home page.
Okay.
So then the second one is login page. So right here we need to do something like you like have a box called username, have a box called
Password.
yeah, all that kind of stuff. So basically we just need to design it really quick. Does that make sense? So if you want to do the second page,
Are you
Looking for the good color.
Okay.
All right, we'll stick with that for now.
Okay. Dan, do you see anything else we should add?
No, I've been looking through, and I think
What
it's
was that?
pretty. I've been
Okay.
looking through, and I think it's pretty well covered.
It's kind of all self-explanatory in a way.
What's that?
So it's kind of self-explanatory.
Right.
I would just make these bigger, but that's just me. All right, just looking at slide 2 for you guys, I just made that bigger, and I would just make these text bigger,
Oh, okay.
just like empty.
Oh, okay. We can do that.
Mama,
What?
oh no,
Oh, pwede mo yan.
I did.
Tell him I'm doing my. Oh, 1 second. Pwede mo yan. Pwede mo yan, Papa. Pwede mo yan. Okay, go. I told him. Just go. I just told your father.
No,
See?
Yeah, I'm surprised Summer's not here. Summer, are you on?
She's still moving? Or was that last week?
I might have been this week. I forget.
Yeah.
So those ones are done.
I can't do it while you're on it.
Oh, it's not letting you do it.
No. I only added username and password and a little link where
Then it doesn't let you do anything after that.
now
Huh. Weird.
maybe it's because you're using it. I don't know. Let's see. So all the other slides will look the same. Well, oh, never mind.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, I see what you're doing now.
Yeah, I'm going through and updating them, so I'm like making them different, but you kind of want to have the same. I don't want to make it super complicated and like have to like, because me and Summer are going to design it and write all the code. I don't want to do like, and whole brand new page, different change.
Uh-huh. Yes, have the same layout for everything.
Yeah, and then maybe just change a box or two, but besides that, yeah, I'd rather not
Okay.
spend the whole second half semester coding another application.
Yeah.
Okay, dokie. You guys are done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Awesome. Well, I will just go over this with Summer. She'll probably do some tweaking too. And I think we just have to submit like our project and all this stuff together. So I'll just have me and Summer can just put all that together in like in a huge document and then send it to the professor.
Okay.
But basically, I think that's it for that. And then we just have to basically do the website for our next project. So,
Sweet.
I have a question.
huh?
Last time Summer talked about validation testers and stuff. Um,
Okay.
I was researching it. So I'm not sure what you guys need for this website, but I found a link that the teacher posted, some of the stuff that we had to do. Um,
Okay.
I don't know if you guys want them. Let me share my screen and show you what I found.
Okay.
Okay, can you see this one? It says software testing help. Can you guys see
Okay.
it?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
So they have all these scenarios that you can test. So I don't know which one is applicable for our website. Um,
So, so
I
for
can put the link in the Google Docs so you guys can look at it
So
and see.
basically, when we're designing the website, like the biggest thing, like Summer said, I think was that you guys just need to do testing. So for
Mm-hmm.
example, let's see if I can pull up one of my old assignments. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
So for example, like let's say I put, like this is just like a little calculator I made. Say I
Uh-huh.
put this in, right? Product description is that. That makes sense. List price, that
Mm-hmm.
doesn't make sense, does it?
No, because it should be a number.
Well, so if I click this, what should happen?
Error.
So it went through, right?
Uh-huh.
So that's the kind of stuff we'll be having you testing. So like for example, this code, I think there's a better, let's see, there's one here. That's not a good one. Okay, so see how this has like an error?
Mm-hmm.
That's the kind of stuff we want to look for. So like for example, like you guys will just test out and say like, okay, what if a user enters a bunch of characters in that aren't even numbers, or like it asks for their height and they put a
Let it.
8 or a letter, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So basically,
Okay.
testing that out is just, that's what penetrate or not penetration testing, but validation testing is. So that's kind of what we'll have you do. So we'll build the website. I'll give you guys the link, and as we're building it, every just so often, like every day, just go on it for like 3 minutes. Just look around, do some testing on it. Like just say like, okay,
Okay.
what happens if I do this? And
Okay.
then that's basically all you'll have to do.
Okay.
Sweet.
So,
Sounds good.
any other questions?
Mm, no. I don't know how I can help. I don't know anything about website CIT stuff, so
Yeah,
um,
I mean, if you guys want to learn, like obviously you don't have to. You don't. I really don't care, but it is fun to learn. If you are interested in learning, I'm sharing my screen still. This is probably okay. For those of you who want to leave the call, you can. I'm going to give you like
Sorry, I have somewhere I have to go.
that's
So
fine.
I'll talk to you later. See ya.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye. Thanks.
I'll give you like whoever's staying a 4-minute tutorial on something
Okay.
really cool that you might think like, okay, those weird IT people are weird, but it's actually really fun when you learn how to do it. Like I'm not joking. So
Okay.
real quick, this site, w3schools.com, is like the beginner site. I just put it in the chat. You can do this on your own. Let's say you just go to your file system. On Windows, you just go to your desktop, right? So like here's my desktop. I'm just going to copy this. You just basically create a file. I'll do it the Mac way though. Sorry, Windows people. So I'm on my desktop right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take this file this one right here. Let's take that. I'm just going to put a new file on my desktop. I'm going to name it index.html. Then that's all I'm going to call it, right? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open this with a text editor. Also, same thing. You guys would probably call this. You just edit it with what is it called, Notepad in Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, you just go to this website. It's HTML. All you do is you just go like this, copy that, paste it in there, save it, and then close it. So I closed it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you're at the file, like on your operating system, you always right-click on it and press Open With, and you'll always want to open it with some kind of text editor. I use this is just a coding one. It helps you with coding, but it's called Text Edit. Let's see where you go. Oh, that's not it. Hold on. Open with Text Wrangler. Okay. Let me just get rid of this. I'm just going to recopy this. So that's this. All this is just code. I know it doesn't make sense to you. Trust me, it doesn't make sense to anyone when you look at it. But once you learn it, you're like, oh, actually, that's really cool. So you have doc type HTML. This basically just say, because all a web page is just a bunch of files that you request off of a server. So I just created this page called index.html. And since now I can just double click it just normally, and it will automatically go straight to Safari or Chrome or whatever browser you're using. So I double click it, and that's what it does. So as you saw here, I said here,
Mm-hmm.
H1 means the header 1, and then you have to close it, and it says this is a heading, this is a paragraph. And what you can do is really cool stuff with it, like what I'm working on right now is this one called index.h, this file right here. And it's that same thing. If I go open with Text Wrangler, this is all it is. It's just a bunch of different code, but like what it does is it just makes this cool box for you that basically changes colors. I know it sounds ridiculous, but literally this code, like you can read about it on this site, that W3 Schools right here. Yeah, and you literally just go on the left, go all the way down here, and it will tell you everything from scratch, and it tells you exactly what does this mean, what does this mean, and so just if you're interested, it's really cool. Like it's really not boring, and it's really easy to learn. So just in case you're interested.
Well, cool.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank
for
you.
that.
Yeah.
So next week, same time, or do we need a meeting or not?
I think I'm still good next week with that same time. Are you guys?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Thank
We'll plan on that. Yep. Sorry, I went over 1 minute.
It's okay. Thank you.
Yep. We'll see you guys later.
Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Bye.